Hi Adorners, welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Today I'm going to be whipping up a beautiful chocolate chip pizza for Valentine's Day. If you're interested, please keep watching and welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi Adorners, so today I'm going to be using a Betty Crocker chocolate chip muffin mix. This actually only requires milk or water, and I'm going to be using water in it, and we're going to bake it up really quickly in a pie dish. Make a cookie for Valentine's Day. If you're interested, please keep watching and welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi Adorners, so I've been using this. I found this at my local grocery store. It's a chocolate chip muffin mix. It's really great. I've used it several times. It bakes up really nicely, and so what I decided to do is to use it as a pizza or a giant cookie for Valentine's Day. It requires a half a cup of milk or half a cup of water for each packet, but I am going to be using only a half a cup because I want it to be kind of a thicker density. So let's get started. Okay Adorners, so I've gone ahead and I just mixed this up really quickly, and now it's time to add it to our pie dish. Okay Adorners, so I've decided to go ahead and make a love message with our chocolate chips. If I'm going to spell out I love you with chocolate chips here, and I will be back. Okay Adorners, so I've gone ahead and added our chocolate chips to write a message, I love you. Okay, I might add a heart to this really quickly. Let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay Adorners, so I've gone ahead and I've written out the words I love you. Okay, and this is something that you can do even if you can't decorate. Right, you can buy cookie dough and do this. I used that muffin mix, but you could buy cookie dough and do this, and it'll be really beautiful for someone that you love. Okay, so I'm going to pop this in the oven for 22 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, Adorners, so it's time for us to put our cookie in the oven. All right, and we're going to let it bake up, and I'll be back. Okay Adorners, it's time to take out our cookie. Okay Adorners, so I've gone ahead and I've taken out our cookie. As you can see, we have I love you. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. If you have someone that you actually do love and you're not a decorator, you can definitely make this. Okay? Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this. Anyway, listen, I hope you will try this. Let me know if you try something like this. Right, you can write any message on it. You can just have a heart if you'd like. Anyway. Okay Adorners, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I hope you have a beautiful and happy Valentine's Day. And as always, I am your girlfriend or auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. See you in the next video. Please be sure to click like and subscribe. See you in the next video.